Toyota used to be seen as boring, predictable, and uninspiring, but times have changed and models like the Crown Signia shatter every preconceived notion you've ever had about what Toyota can build. This crossover offers luxury-grade materials, cutting-edge technology, and sophisticated styling that are changing minds across the automotive world. Stay with us as we reveal 7 ways the 2026 Toyota Crown Signia turns Toyota haters into believers. Number 7. Best-looking Toyota on the market. Toyota's design language has always played it safe. Predictable curves, forgettable proportions, and styling that blends into parking lots rather than standing out from them. The Crown Signia throws that entire approach out the window and starts fresh with something that actually makes people look twice. The front fascia comes with dramatic hammerhead-inspired grille and razor-thin LED headlights that span the vehicle's entire width. This isn't the typical Toyota face you're used to seeing. It's aggressive, modern, and unmistakably premium. The black piano finish on the massive grille creates visual weight that gives the Crown Signia serious road presence. From the side profile, you'll notice this isn't trying to be another generic crossover. The elevated wagon proportions create something unique in Toyota's lineup, a vehicle that's tall enough to provide SUV-like visibility but sleek enough to maintain sophisticated aesthetics. Those 21-inch wheels aren't just decoration either. They're properly sized to fill the wheel wells and give the Crown Signia the kind of planted stance that usually costs thousands extra on luxury vehicles. The rear treatment continues the premium theme with connected LED taillights that create a distinctive light signature. Clean body lines, integrated rear spoiler elements, and dual exhaust tips show attention to detail that matches what you'd expect from premium European brands. This is Toyota finally creating something that looks expensive and exclusive rather than merely practical. Number 6. Lexus grade interior. Walk into any Toyota dealership and you'll typically find cabins dominated by hard plastics, basic fabric, and design that prioritizes function over form. The Crown Signia completely rewrites that script with an interior that genuinely competes with luxury brands on materials and craftsmanship. Real leather covers the seating surfaces, but this isn't the thin, cheap leather you might expect. The material feels substantial with detailed perforation patterns and contrast stitching that adds visual interest. Available color combinations include rich saddle tan and sophisticated black, both executed with the kind of attention to detail you'd find in much more expensive vehicles. Soft touch materials extend throughout the cabin, covering the dashboard, door panels, and center console. Bronze accent pieces add warmth without looking gaudy, while the overall design maintains clean lines that feel both modern and timeless. The build quality approaches what you'd expect from Lexus, with tight panel gaps and solid construction throughout. Material selection and execution throughout the Crown Signia's cabin represents a genuine step up for Toyota. Longtime critics who've dismissed the brand for cheap interiors will find their main complaint eliminated by this level of premium execution. Number 5. Capable but very efficient. Toyota's hybrid reputation has always carried a performance penalty. Earlier hybrid systems prioritized fuel economy at the expense of driving excitement, creating vehicles that were efficient but hardly engaging. The Crown Signia's hybrid system changes that equation entirely. The powertrain combines a refined 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine with dual electric motors to produce 243 horsepower. That's more than adequate for daily driving, while delivering fuel economy that makes gas station visits rare events. EPA ratings of 41 miles per gallon city and 38 miles per gallon highway put the Crown Signia ahead of most competing hybrids while maintaining satisfying performance. But the real surprise is how this system drives. The electronic CVT avoids the disconnected rubber band feeling that plagued earlier continuously variable transmissions. Power delivery feels immediate and natural, whether you're accelerating from traffic lights or merging onto highways. 0 to 60 acceleration takes approximately 7.2 seconds. Perfectly adequate performance that feels quicker thanks to instant electric motor torque. The chassis tuning strikes an impressive balance between comfort and control. Steering weight feels appropriate and provides decent feedback, while the suspension manages to absorb road imperfections without feeling overly soft. This isn't the numb, isolated driving experience that gave Toyota a boring reputation. Standard all-wheel drive uses an electric rear motor instead of heavy mechanical components. The system defaults to front-wheel drive for maximum efficiency, but can instantly send power rearward when traction demands it. The result is capability when you need it, and efficiency when you don't. Exactly what modern buyers want. Number 4. Safety features. Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 represents the most advanced driver assistance package Toyota has ever offered. While many automakers charge premium prices for comprehensive safety technology, the Crown Signia includes these features as standard equipment across all trim levels. Pre-collision braking with pedestrian and cyclist detection operates effectively even in challenging lighting conditions. The system has been upgraded to recognize more types of potential hazards and react appropriately to prevent or minimize impacts. Full-speed radar cruise control maintains your set following distance distance from highway speeds down to complete stops in traffic. The acceleration and braking feel smooth and natural, rather than jerky, like some competing systems. Lane departure warning with steering assist keeps the vehicle properly positioned and provides gentle correction when needed. Advanced features include traffic jam assist for hands-free driving and heavy congestion below 25 miles per hour. Proactive driving assist provides subtle steering and braking assistance to reduce driver workload during routine driving. The panoramic view monitor creates a 360-degree overhead view that makes parking in tight spaces significantly easier. What sets the Crown Signia apart is that these advanced safety features come standard rather than optional. Competing vehicles often charge thousands extra for similar technology packages. Toyota's decision to include comprehensive safety equipment on every Crown Signia demonstrates genuine commitment to occupant protection. Number 3. Wagon Practicality Crossover Appeal. The Crown Signia solves a problem that many buyers didn't realize they had: the choice between stylish design and practical functionality. Traditional wagons offer excellent cargo capacity but feel too low and car-like for modern preferences. Conventional SUVs provide elevated seating positions but often sacrifice style for utility. The Crown Signia's elevated wagon design provides the best characteristics of both vehicle types. The higher seating position gives drivers confident road visibility and easier entry and exit compared to traditional wagons. Yet the sleek profile maintains sophisticated aesthetics that avoid the boxy appearance common to most crossovers. Interior space utilization is impressive despite the stylish exterior proportions. Rear seat passengers get generous legroom for comfortable adult accommodation, while the cargo area provides 25.5 cubic feet behind the seats. Folding the rear seats expands capacity to nearly 70 cubic feet, genuinely useful space for larger items. The wide rear opening and low lift-over height make loading bulky items much easier than traditional SUVs. Whether you're hauling sports equipment, weekend luggage, or weekly grocery runs, the Crown Signia accommodates everything without requiring awkward lifting or maneuvering. This design approach attracts buyers who previously couldn't find vehicles that satisfied both aesthetic and practical requirements. The Crown Signia eliminates the typical compromise between looking good and being useful. For sophisticated buyers who want both style and substance, this combination is nearly impossible to replicate elsewhere. Number 2. Abundance of tech features. Dual 12.3-inch displays create a modern, upscale appearance that feels appropriate for the price point. The digital instrument cluster provides customizable information displays, while the center touchscreen features intuitive menus and quick response times. Graphics quality is crisp and professional rather than cheap or dated. Wireless smartphone integration works reliably with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. No more dealing with cables or connection issues that frustrate daily use. Toyota's Drive Connect service enables natural voice commands that understand normal speech patterns rather than requiring specific phrases. Connectivity options are abundant throughout the cabin. Wireless phone charging eliminates cable clutter, while multiple USB-C ports serve front and rear passengers. A 120-volt household outlet in the cargo area allows passengers to power laptops and other devices requiring standard electrical power. Over-the-air updates ensure the Crown Signia's technology stays current throughout ownership. Software improvements and new features can be downloaded automatically without requiring dealer visits. This capability keeps the vehicle feeling fresh and modern years after purchase. Number 1. Attractive price. Premium vehicles typically command premium prices. That's been the industry standard for decades. The Crown Signia challenges that assumption by delivering luxury-level content at mainstream pricing that makes competing luxury brands look overpriced. The base XLE trim starts around $40,000, while the well-equipped limited version costs approximately $45,500. The range-topping Platinum trim with every available feature reaches about $53,000. These prices represent exceptional value considering the level of content and build quality included. Comparable vehicles from luxury manufacturers typically cost $10,000 to $15,000 more for similar equipment and materials. The Crown Signia delivers genuine luxury experiences without the typical price premium that accompanies premium badges. You're getting Lexus quality materials, technology, and refinement while paying Toyota prices. Even within Toyota's own lineup, the Crown Signia makes compelling financial sense. While the larger Highlander hybrid offers third-row seating and more cargo space, the Crown Signia provides superior styling, better fuel economy, and more luxurious materials at a lower starting price. For buyers seeking luxury experiences without luxury price tags, the Crown Signia represents an almost unprecedented value. Critics who claimed Toyota couldn't compete with premium brands on content and quality will find those arguments demolished by the Crown Signia's pricing structure. The Crown Signia proves Toyota can deliver luxury-level execution while maintaining the affordability and dependability that built their reputation. Toyota skeptics skeptics looking for reasons to reconsider their position will find compelling evidence in every aspect of this vehicle. But soon enough, such a luxurious and refined car with a Toyota badge won't be just an incident. Check out this video about the all-new 2026 Toyota RAV4, which you can now see on the screen. The world's best-selling SUV is getting more than just a redesign. It's coming with real premium pretensions, ready to dominate much more expensive competition as well.